In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slicers in Google Sheets, a fantastic feature that enhances your data analysis experience by allowing you to filter your data seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to log into your Google account and open Google Sheets. For those new to this platform, Google Sheets is a cloud-based spreadsheet application by Google, much like Microsoft Excel. Once you're in Google Sheets, go ahead and open the spreadsheet where you wish to work with slicers. If you don't have one ready yet, you might need to create a new spreadsheet and input your data first. Before we proceed with adding slicers, it's vital to ensure your data is prepared adequately for this feature. What exactly does that mean? Essentially, your data should be organized into a table format, complete with headers. Headers are quite important as they define your columns and guide the slicer on which data to interact with. If your data already follows this structured format, you're ready for the next step. With your data prepared, navigate over to the Data menu. This is where the exciting part begins as we get ready to add the slicer. In the menu, you'll find an option to add a slicer. Clicking on it will bring up the slicer editor on the right side of your screen. In the slicer editor, you'll be making some crucial selections. First and foremost, you need to set the data range. This step involves highlighting the range that encompasses your table or pivot table's data. Simply click and drag to achieve this. Next, you'll select a column that you wish to filter by. This could be any column that makes sense for your analysis, such as product or date. Then move to the Filter Options section where you can specify which values should be displayed or hidden, effectively customizing the data your slicer will showcase. If you're working with pivot tables, you might notice an option to apply the slicer directly to those. This can be quite useful, so determine if that's something you need for your analysis and select it accordingly. You might observe that your slicer isn't in an ideal location on your sheet. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal because you can move and resize it easily. This flexibility ensures your slicer isn't covering any crucial data or causing your sheet to appear cluttered. Now that your setup is complete, it's time to use the slicer. Click the drop-down arrow in your slicer's box, and you'll be able to filter your data dynamically, adjusting your visualization on the fly. This feature makes your data analysis more insightful. Plus, you can add multiple slicers for different columns, granting you more control over how your data is presented. And there you have it. Slicers added. Filter your data like a pro. Slicers not only enhance your data visibility, but also introduce a level of interactivity that makes data analysis efficient and enjoyable. Happy filtering!